Hello guys, in this video we are going to see that how to make a gaming channel intro. First you guys need Zarchiver. Go to Zarchiver and I will give the link at the description. So yeah, click that thing, go to extract and click this thing and yeah, just I will show you guys the password. The password is 7096 7096. Yeah, just do that. I actually downloaded it and you guys need KineMaster. This is actually the intro which the last video was. So yeah, just open the KineMaster application and you guys go to the background. Go to the background and select black color. Select black color and set it as 7. 7 is perfect. And go to the layer and just go there and now your thing. And it if you guys loading it will show us converted. Make sure to convert it. That's in. And yeah, just go to here and yeah, at the 5.0067 just trim it to the right side player. That's it guys. Sorry, oh no, I made a mistake guys. Just take it. You guys want to not trim this thing, you guys want to trim over here 4.893. just trim the right side player of this and set it as 7 and just play it guys. Just play it. Yeah, here you guys can see it's playing and just pass where the hand is coming. Just pass where the hand is coming. I think yeah, it's here. Go to the media. Just go to the layer. Go to media and take your channel logo, just place it in this and go to the blending option, and in the blending option you guys can see the screen option. Make sure to enable it and click on that. Now you guys can see that we made the intro but we didn't made a thing. Oh, just do that. Yeah, that's it guys, just play it. Yeah, just you guys want to do is go to the blending and set it as default and set it where the spark is coming. That's it. Just where the spark is coming. Yeah, go to the where the spark is coming and trim the left side play it. Just play that. Oh, we forget a thing, that just go to the blending and go to the screen option. Yeah, this also we done. Just play the video. So yeah, this is perfect, but just go to this, go to front, just click on the front. Now just play it as normal. So you guys can see it's perfect. And here is the thing is just go here. Yeah, go to this option. Yeah, add it and so it does like this. So yeah, we made it perfectly. And you guys can ask, in that video in the intro for my friend, I just added some colors. Now I will show you that how to add it. Go to the media, go to the background and select white color, set it as full, and go to this, set it as full screen. Go to this and take the color whichever you guys want. Let's try with the red color. Let's try with this. Yeah, this color. I think this was nice. And here, go to the blending and as overlay. Set it as overlay. So the color is perfect. Just go to this option and go to that and to print, because your logo color will be changed. This is your color. Just change it as any color you guys want. If you guys want red, this will change it as red. If you guys want yellow, this will change it as yellow. If you guys want black, it will change as black. If you guys want any color, it will change as any color. Now one of my attracted color for is just this thing, because it's look like a hacker. And after that, just export it. And music actually you have to add, so that export it in the quality whichever you guys want. And that's it for today's video. I will be reaching soon you guys in another video. Till then, wait guys. Bye bye. And the link is given in the description. Make sure to check them out. Bye.